Okay, so in today's video, we've got a new animation. It is about trampoline something, and a thank you to Lasaga. He's a very nice person who I know in real life. So if you hear talking in the background, that is my family having fun, doing stuff. Whilst I'm in here animating Sticks videos, but oh well. I am making a new video, and this is a current one that I've done. Hope you enjoy. And as per usual, I will be narrating. Also, I'm going to try to speak slower. I have an affinity for speaking very fast, and I very much apologise for that. Anyways, let's start with the animation. See this very amazing back flip to a handstand, or headstand I'm going to call it. And he moves sub to me. Please, I need motivation. Oh look, my animation face. Thanks to Lasago. Subscribe to him and me, but most importantly me, and do lots of things. There's also a gaming channel that I own, and it is called Malevolent Gaming. I'll do another video on that, but still, go subscribe to him and me, because we're completely different people. Anyways, that is all for now. Remember, stay dank, stay duck. Remember to be dank and to get the duck out. I love ducks. Wubba lubba dub dub.